Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are in the technology part on this video as people that have iPhones, iPads, even Mac computers do appreciate that I talk about the updates that are important for them for security, and there's a whopper of an update. So Apple has released for Mac OS, for iPad OS, for iOS and iPhones, WatchOS, and so on, a security update that actually fixes 200 security flaws. So people thinking there's no security flaws outside of Windows, just listen, 200, and a lot of them are critical flaws. So in many cases, it's as simple as visiting a web page that has malformed code or opening, a bad email attachment, and then you have escalation of privilege, and they take over your Mac and your devices and do what they want. So do update. Go check your updates on your Mac computer, and go check your updates on your iPhone, iPads, Watch, Apple Watch, Apple TV, everything that you own that is Apple, because there's a lot of security flaws to be fixed. That was released today, July the 29th. So to stay safe, it is absolutely important, of course, as usual, to update your system. This is a way that you keep yourself safe by fixing the security holes in the devices. So check it out. It seems that Apple, with all of these security flaws, has started probably using AI to also detect security flaws within their own system. So that brings up a huge number of fixes today. So once again, very important, go and update your devices. 200 security flaws total, many of them critical. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.